Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see Wipro mail, Wipro phone number, about the interview result, reschedule the interview, mail provided, phone number, everything I am provided in this video. So watch the video till end. If you are not visit our channel, just once visit, it will be helpful for you in the future and now also. Now I am going to explain why, because of this video is mainly for Wipro peoples. They didn't get any update from Wipro, no interview result, reschedule mail not there, date of joining, offer letter, everything in be question mark. So I just think whether we may want to help the student, those who are feeling sad, mentally affected. For them I am just doing this video with helpfully. The first one will be why this video, because of interview update pending, offer letter pending, join date not announced, everything which I told already. So in this video I am going to show you the interview mail and HR mail or management mail and client mail and their phone number which are brought from seniors, those who are working in Wipro team. If you have any doubt, you can contact through that mail. I am going to show each one mail. You can contact all your doubts through this mail, info@wipro.com. This is for HR team, overall HR head from all over India. You can contact your queries. They will surely reply to. If you are not replied, means just continuously send the mail to them. Hardly 6 to 7 mail if you are sent it, means surely they will reply your interview update. Anything they will reply. So don't bother. And next one will be, this is office mail, reaches@wipro.com. reaches@wipro.com. It is second mail. You can contact this also, whether you are rescheduling mail or whether interviewer not arrived, offer letter pending, anything. It's your wish, based upon your doubts only you are going to type the mail. So you just watch this page and you just noted this mail ID and start mail to them. And next one will be, this is just a mail ID with mail. This is for manager@campus@wipro.com. This is for the main branch Pan India from Bangalore and Pune Noida from them. So I just mentioned this 3 mail IDs from 3 locations, south, north, all side. I am collaborated and put it this. So this is manager@campus@wipro.com. This is for overall getting so many doubts about their certification, rejection, so many kind of doubts you are keeping in my comment. So it's hard to see students feeling sad. So only I just make this video and keep the mail here itself. So if your friend is getting any doubts about the interview mail, anything, you can share to them. And the last one will be phone number. You can make a call to the number. This is the number 80241100. So you can contact this number also. Then you can make a call. I will provide the number in the description. So don't worry guys, one number you missed, last 111 should be, 11 should be there. So I missed out, so no problem. So I'll put it in the description. You can reach this mail ID with your queries. They will surely reply you. So don't bother about it. Any doubt regarding this interview update, you can mail directly to the info@wipro.com or reaches@wipro.com or manager@wipro.com. They will surely reply your interview update, letter of joining, anything they will reply to you. Just forward to your friend if you are having any doubt about the interviews or not getting selected, why, reason, everything you can mail to them. This is official mail ID for Wipro team. So contact as much you can. While contact, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clarify your doubt. So thanks for watching this channel. If you have any doubt, comment me and just subscribe to my channel and like my channel. If you have any suggestion, keep it in comment section. I will clear your doubt.